guys, welcome back to my channel. It's finally here. So most of you guys are familiar with Jeffree Star. Hopefully everybody's familiar with him, and you probably know I'm a Jeffree Star fan. I love his products. Well, he just did his Valentine's mystery boxes, and your girl got all three. Yes. So the first one came in today, so I've only received one of the three, so be on the lookout for my future videos. But I cannot wait to get into this box, see what I got. I have seen some spoilers, but I want to see if there's different versions, because you never know. You never know. So let's get into this. This is the medium size one. I forget what they call that one. I haven't adapted to the lingo yet. I still say small, medium, and large. Everybody's on grandes and ventes and have different names for small, medium, large. It's the medium box though, okay? I'll have it correct in the title though. I promise you that. I can't wait to see what I got. Also, while I'm getting into this, I do invite you to please subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I do unboxings. I do get ready with me. I love to do makeup looks. Just fun stuff, you know, hang out. So I would love to have you. I love to have you be a part of my channel. Also, I have an active giveaway right now on my channel. I will have that linked in the description box below, and I will do that on every single video. As long as there is an active giveaway, you'll be able to see it in my description box. Get in here. Ugh. What am I doing wrong? Oh, it's upside down. I never claimed to be the brightest crayon in the box, but I am the most fun crayon that you like to color with. All right, so the first thing in here, I did see this in a spoiler. So it is the pink Jeffree Star hat. So I'll go ahead and take this out of the package. Apologize for all the noise, but what do you want? Alright, so here's this guy. It has the clasp on the back. That's what it looks like. So this is my first item. I do not own any hats by Jeffree Star. I usually don't wear hats. I like toboggans. I think toboggans are everything. I don't usually wear hats like this though, so we'll see. We'll see what else is in here. What else I get. Alright, red tissue paper. Cute. Alright, this one yes, they got their size correct. This was the first one I got to do where I got to actually put in my size. And I'm a plus size girl, so I was curious if the people who got plus size got something different. Because I know sometimes companies do that. But I asked for a 3XL because I know he normally does t-shirts or sweatshirts, things like that. So I do want it to be a little baggy, plus I am a bit plus size. So this is what it looks like. It is black. I think it's showing kind of gray on camera. How cute. So it says, can't relate, I'm gagging. Hi, how are you? Jeffree Star approved, iconic. And then it has the Jeffree Star logo, okay? This is cute. I'm happy to, I also don't have any clothes. I have like all makeup and a pop socket. That's what I have by him. Yes, ma'am. Yes. I wanted these so bad. His straws. I have one straw by him, and it's an orange one. So this is the black set, and I think that's sexy. I know, you're like, black straws are not sexy, but these are sexy to me. They're so cute. I'm trying to see if there's a cute way to pull them out. No, there's not. Guys, I am super stoked to get the black set. I saw some people getting green, but I don't know if this is the same size box. But the black is bomb. I'm super happy with the black. And then it goes with my orange. Love it. All right, so the next item in here is the mini breaker, which I don't own. So I'm excited about that. I did not buy the mini breaker, the jawbreaker, or the conspiracy palettes. Those are the ones I did not get. I have Blue Blood, Blood Sugar, Alien, Thirsty. I have palettes like that, but I didn't have this one. And out of the breakers, I think I did like the mini better. So this is what it looks like. And I love purple. So yes, ma'am. This is exciting. I think I paid $100 for this box, in case you guys are wondering. Then I got this item. I have no idea what this is. No clue. Okay. So this is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is 24 karat Skin Frost Pro palette. I'm wearing that right now on my face. I own this, guys. So let me see what shape it's in. But we might just be having a giveaway. It's very pretty. Yep, it's in great shape. And this, to me, is his best highlighter he's ever come out with. He also sells it in a single shade, but it's Sarcophagus. This is it. I love it. I think it's the best highlighter ever. Anyways, this one has Sarcophagus, King Tut, Dark Horse, Legendary. I think it's Giza and Liberace. But I go to this palette over and over and over and over again. Like, I love it so much. And even the shades that are darker, you can use as eyeshadow, or vice versa. If you're darker skin, you can use the lighter ones as eyeshadow. But it's stunning. Stunning. So, looks like we're going to be having a giveaway. Let me put this back in here. That's exciting. I'm not even done, guys. So exciting. Okay, so this is a good box. I saw people complaining about the medium, and now I'm like, why? Okay, so it looks like there's a mystery Valentine shade. I didn't even know there was going to be a mystery Valentine shade. Like, I paid attention a little bit to, like, oh, that's sexy. Look at that. Oh, I'm putting that on right now. But anyways, I paid attention to some of the spoilers, but I tried not to go too, like, deep into watching them because I wanted to be surprised too, you know? Oh, that she's pretty. I like that shade. Hey, this is stunning. So this is the Valentine's one. And as you can see, it's a metallic shade, but it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love it. Everything I've gotten so far is like a win. For $100? Yes. Then I got a glass. Okay, so I only own one glass by him, and it's a darker shade. And it's not this one. Okay. So let's see what this one looks like. It's Candy Drip. And I also wondered, was everybody going to get like different shades of the glass? Oh, it's like a bubblegum pink. That's really pretty. I'm sorry, Jeffree knocked it out of the park with this one. Okay, and then the last item that's in here. This looks like it's going to be a mirror. This is the only mirror I own. This iridescent one. And I love this mirror. So, I'm kind of excited to see what this one's going to be. All right, let's see. Open it up with a nail file. I don't have anything handy. But yeah, I ordered for Valentine's. He came out with 3 new mirrors, and I ordered 2 of the 3. So we'll have to see what this one is. Can I open it? Am I the only one that can't open anything? This is what happened with that mirror when I ordered it, and I ended up ruining the box. I was so mad at myself. Here we go. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so he had 3 that came out. Is this one of them? I thought they all said Jeffree Star approved. But either way, I don't have this one. So that's very exciting. So this is a pink chrome one. I don't think this is one of the new ones. Now I feel crazy because I'm like, I feel like they all said Jeffree Star approved on the new ones. I got 2 of the 3, and the ones I got were the black. I got the black one that had, you'll be able to see it on my unboxings coming up. But I got the black with the pink writing, and then the pink with the black. They were so sexy. And then there was a chrome one that was pink that came out as well. But I think it also said Jeffree Star approved. Either way, she cute. I love it. I'm so excited. Okay, so I did mention a giveaway, didn't I, huh? I didn't know if we'd have one in this video, but it looks like we will. The only thing I don't want to, I don't know if I should give this one to my daughter, because she loves Jeffree Star, even though she doesn't like makeup. It's kind of weird, but I love her to death. So she might actually want this. But, guys, this one, for you guys out there who love Jeffree Star, who love makeup, who love highlighter, whatever it is, or all of the above, this palette right here is everything. And so I want to put this in a giveaway. So let me go ahead and just tell you how to enter it if you're interested, okay? Trust me, like I said, it's really good. This is the sarcophagus. Okay, guys, so in order to enter the giveaway for this 24 karat palette, which is stunning, amazing, please be 18 years of age or older, have a U.S. shipping address. I also need you to please subscribe to my channel, because that's who I do my giveaways for, is people who are subscribed to me. It's my way of giving back to them. Also, if you could thumbs up this video, that would be amazing. And if you can tell me in the comments below, how about who is your favorite YouTuber? Could be anybody. Could be yourself. Just tell me in the comments below who's your favorite YouTuber. And the reason I picked that question is because Jeffree Star is one of my favorite YouTubers. Hence how I fell in love with him and his brand. And it's been amazing so far. So thank you, Jeffree, to an amazing Valentine's mystery box. I thought the medium was awesome. Again, I can't remember what it's called. Supreme, I think, maybe Supreme. Deluxe, I don't know, but it'll be correct in the title. So I'll have this giveaway go till, let me see, this is a leap year this year, so I'll have it go till midnight, February 29th, and Eastern Standard Time. And then on March 1st, I will do a random comment picker, and I will verify that you are subscribed to my channel, and then I will pick the winner. And I will make the announcement on my channel. So good luck to everybody. Thank you for watching my video. Again, if you're not here for the giveaway and you were just new and you wanted to see what was in my mystery box and you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Please join my channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love you. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.